If you wish to remove your assets from the liquid staking on Hatom, simply navigate to the liquid staking page, choose the asset that you wish to remove. In this case, I will choose the GLD, and you will be prompted to the liquid staking dashboard. Now simply scroll down and choose the Unstake tab. Now enter the amount you wish to unstake. In this case, I will just choose max, and then simply click Unstake. And that's it. Now you successfully unstaked your assets from Hatom's liquid stake. And because the GLD has a 10-day unbonding period, you will have to wait 10 days before you can claim your GLD. And you can find them right here in the unstake request. And after the 10 days have passed, simply click on the active claims and claim your GLD.